Hello dear students. In last lecture we have seen the Arden's theorem that if the equation is of the form R is equal to Q plus RP, then it can be directly converted or replaced with the equation R is equal to QP star. So that we have seen in the last lecture. This problem also we have solved to convert DFA to the regular expression. Today we solve this problem. The problem statement is construct the regular expression from below state transition diagram. So this diagram is given, state transition diagram is given, and now we have to find out what is the regular expression that this automata will generate. In the previous lecture we have already seen how to start solving the problem. Very first step is to create the equation for each and every state. For that we have to count the number of input transition coming towards that state. For example, Q1 is equal to Q10 plus Q30 plus null. Incoming arrows to Q1 are from Q3 and Q1 itself with the input 0, 0. So, equation of Q1 is equal to Q10 plus Q30 plus null. Q2 is equal to incoming arrows to Q2, Q11 plus Q21 plus Q31, and equation of Q3 is equal to Q20. While writing this equation, just see from which state incoming arrow is coming and for what input it is coming. So by using this we can write down the equations. Number of states is the number of equations, then whatever are the number of states, that is the number of equations. So here 3 states are there, so here we write 3 equations. Now for solving this problem, Q1 is the final state, so our target is to solve Q1 equation. Q1 is equal to Q10 plus Q30 plus null. To solve this problem we will take the help of Q2 equation and Q3 equation. So start solving the problem. What we will do, put Q3 in Q2, the value of Q3 will put in Q2. So Q2 will be Q11 plus Q21 as it is, and for Q3 we replace the value of Q3 as Q20. So if we replace Q3 as Q20, we will get Q201. So resultant Q2 will be Q2 is equal to Q11 plus, by taking Q2 common we get 1 plus 01. Now this equation is matching with the Arden's theorem equation, that R is equal to Q plus RP. So we can directly replace this equation by using R is equal to QP star. So Q2 is equal to QP star, that means Q2 is our Q11 and P star is 1 plus 01 star. Now put Q3 in Q1. Q3 in Q1. So Q1 is equal to Q10 plus Q200 plus null. Now put Q2 in Q1. Q1 is equal to Q10 plus Q11 into bracket 1 plus 01 star 00 plus null. So this is the value of Q1. Now taking 1 as common, we get Q1 is equal to Q1 into bracket 0 plus 1 into bracket 1 plus 0 1 star 00 plus null. So here again this equation is matching with our Arden's theorem. So directly we can replace that equation by using R is equal to QP star. So Q1 is equal to Q is null here, R is Q1 and P is that entire string containing 0 and 1. So directly we can write down here QP star. So Q1 is equal to Q is null, so we don't need to write it, and P star is nothing but 0 plus 1 into bracket 1 plus 01 star bracket complete 00, this entire string raised to star. So this particular DFA will generate the regular expression as 0 plus 1 into bracket 1 plus 01 star bracket complete 00, and this entire string raised to star if we apply the Arden's theorem. Thanks for listening.